Good morning. We're here on the Euro USD. A touch option opportunities surfaced in Genesis Elite. ITM Smart Money is showing bullish volumes tapering off, but the probability is around 65% for hitting a one-touch trade to the downside. But what we can do to increase our odds of winning here are, since price has already broken out of the reversal zone, we can take a no-touch on a higher target. So as you can see, we have 3870 and 3877. So we'll choose a no-touch on the 1.3877 because it is above ITM Genesis Elite's high probability reversal zone, giving us extremely good odds for this trade. So we're in the money starting off, since it's a no-touch trade, and we have to expire in the money. So we'll come back to you shortly, just before the trade expires. Okay, we're back here with 20-something seconds remaining on this trade. As you can see, beautifully executed. And as I mentioned earlier, ITM Genesis Elite at the time was showing a 65% probability of hitting a one-touch target to the downside. That was pretty good, but not good enough if you want a really cutthroat trade. So we went for a no-touch, which had a much higher probability, since the price target was above the reversal zone, giving us 90, possibly 90+% probability of success on the trade. And that's exactly what happened here, netting us $3,600 in net profit on this trade for a gross return of 8,600. Price, as you can see, accelerated to the downside, having bounced off of the high probability short reversal zone shown by ITM Genesis Elite. Price was also confirmed by ITM Smart Money, which was indicating that the previous bearish trend was not fully capitalized on by the bulls. After the bulls were tapering off in that middle region, and we were about to see some short momentum, both confluent factors telling us that we're good. So we're just going to wait for expiry here. And since we're in a boundary zone on the Euro USD, we'll go back to the chart shortly to show you what I'm talking about. Here we have 8,600 gross return on an investment of 5,000 for a net profit of 3,600. Now let's go back to the chart. Notice we're in a boundary option probability. Boundary options, you don't have to worry about the price direction. So let's go take it. It's a good probability, low percent, around 20%. So we'll go for an outside boundary trade. 20% or any percent on that amount basically says that it has a very low probability of staying in this boundary. So we are executing an outside boundary trade here on the Euro USD to expire in another 14 minutes. All right, we're back again with roughly 30 seconds remaining on this Euro USD boundary trade. As you can see, ITM Genesis Elite pointed us into a boundary condition, which basically meant the analysis boundary to the short side had been completed. The price reversed in our favor to the long side outside of our boundary. ITM Genesis Elite following suit and changing price direction to the north as well. So we're now in a bullish advance with multiple bullish binary option probabilities going to surface soon for trades on one touch, boundary, high-low, as ITM Genesis Elite sees fit. We have now expired on this boundary trade, netting us $3,250 on this trade on an investment of 5,000 for a gross return of 8,250. As you can see, both trades we took in succession, one after the other, following clear-cut instructions given to us by ITM Genesis Elite, given further confirmation by ITM Smart Money, which basically concurred with ITM Genesis Elite at exactly the right time. So by using Genesis Elite and Smart Money together, you rapidly increase your odds of successful trades in a time-sensitive environment like binary options, because not only do you get the kind of trade to set up, but ITM Smart Money then comes in and basically confirms when the right time is to go into that trade. So it's a very, very powerful, clear-cut, simply laid out set of tools for you to really exploit in time-sensitive environments like binary options for very high win rates. Thank you.